Hi guys! Welcome back to our art class, and my name is Mr. Lagman and this is Larissa. Today we're going to draw a simple drawings. Our little friend here, Mr. Dinosaur. So what we're gonna... Mr. Freddy? You will call him Mr. Freddy? Okay, so Larissa said it's Mr. Freddy. So we're going to do Mr. Freddy the Dinosaur. Kids, this is very simple. Maybe some of you guys already drew this dinosaur. We're going to use our simple shapes. So what are the simple shapes did we learn before? We have the circles, we have squares, oval, what else? Triangles, and I think rectangles.
Yeah.
What about the swirls? Do you want to do this? You want to use swirls in this drawing?
We could do swirls or lines for the sky.
Right, absolutely. So yeah, so we're going to use basic shapes. Everybody knows that. So the materials we're going to use for these drawings are, we have plain paper, white paper, and markers. Colorful markers. Of course, everybody likes Sharpie, so we have our mighty Sharpie handy.
I also have
What is that?
a highlighter to write my name.
Good. And then of course pencil and eraser. So let's start. Alright guys, so here we go. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw the hill first. Okay, so it's just a big curve like this, like that, and then after that we're going to start drawing the dinosaur. I'm going to draw the basic shape using the shapes that I know. So in this case, what I see in this drawing is a big tall rectangle. Okay, so big tall rectangle like that, simple rectangle. Okay, I hope you can see this. Let me darken it a little bit so that you guys can see the lines. And don't worry if the line is very dark, we can erase that later. Okay, so right now I have a tall rectangle. Okay, next we're going to make a smaller rectangle, which is the head. You can see it here. Okay, you see that? So we're going to make a rectangle like this. You see? See a rectangle right there? Okay, and then next we're going to draw this part right here, which is the tail part. This time I'm going to draw a square like that. Can you see a square now? Yes. And then another long rectangle. This time I'm going to make it very thin, skinny rectangle. There. Okay, see? Rectangle, skinny rectangle, square, a big tall rectangle for the body, and then in this part a regular rectangle for the head. All right. Okay, so next we're going to draw the legs. Okay, this is very easy. It's just a curved line. So I'm gonna do a curve going down straight like that, and then we're going to draw the toes. It's just little curves like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Curve, and then going down, and then curve. Little curves. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Now, next, we're going to start cleaning up our basic shape. Okay. So, as you can see, our rectangle is not straight. We have curves here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to refine my lines. I'm going to make this curve right here, and then make another curve in here, that, and also down here, there. And then we're just gonna make it darker. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down, and then I'm gonna make another curve for the tail, like that. Okay, and then going up, and then a little curve right there. We can stop for a while. Okay, and then next we're going to draw the big smile. Okay, so it's just easy. You're just gonna go straight like this, and then go up, and then you put a little curve for the smile. Can you see that? Okay, and then for the teeth, that is another curve. I'm gonna do it like this, that. So that's the teeth. And then let's draw lines. 1, 2, and then another long line across, that. So that's the teeth. Okay, next let's do the arms. Arms is also simple. First, you're going to draw two lines, two curved lines. So 1, 2, like that. It's like you're drawing a macaroni. And then we're going to draw the hands. The hands is like a popcorn hand. Very simple. It's just curves. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? It looks like a popcorn or a flower. And then we're going to do another hand and arms. Same thing. Curved lines, and then popcorn hand, like that. Good. Alright, so next we're going to do the belly. Belly is also a big curve and lines. Okay, so let's do it. A big curve like that, and then lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Next, let's add the eyes. Okay, this is also simple. Let's make a small circle like that, and then a big circle next to it, there. And then you can add the 2 dots inside. Okay, all right, and let's move on. Let's add the eyebrows. Eyebrows is like that. All right, so what's missing? I see some triangles. You see the triangles? Now let's add the triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles. 1 there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then small triangles here. 6, 7, 8. All right. And then another triangle at the end of the tail, like that. Alright, and then I'm just gonna clean my lines like this. There. Clean my drawings. Like that. Now it's done. Now it's time for me to use my Sharpie. So I'm going to fast forward this, okay? Okay, so once we finished inking the drawings, we're going to clean it up. We're going to erase the pencil lines like this. Alright, so once we finished using the Sharpie, this time we're going to apply the markers, the colored markers. It's done. So this is our dinosaur drawings, and let's take a look what Larissa made. This is Larissa. Nice. I like the sun, Lala. Good job.